Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily change Windows 11 Narrator Voice. If this video will be helpful, I'll be really happy if you'd like share down below in the comments that this video helped you, and it'll be really great. So first thing first, what you want to do is pretty straightforward. Go on the bottom to the start, right click on it, and then click settings. Then when you're gonna do it, you're gonna click on under accounts, time and language, and then you're gonna see speech here. Now when you're gonna click speech, let me show you straight away. When you're gonna click speech, you wanna scroll down below, and then you're gonna like voices here, and you're gonna see you got Microsoft, David, Zira, Mark, Jakub, Philip, Jacob, and then you're gonna see preview the voice, or you can add your own voice. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.